I can't believe I just did that.
Did you tell her about the cool birthday present?
Remember last week when future Twilight came to warn me about something? That was me trying to warn myself not to worry so much. Now I'm gonna spend the next week freaking out about a disaster that doesn't even exist. Ugh.
Aw, don't worry about it. It's past Twilight's problem now.
I guess you're right, Pinky.
Oh, my stomach. I think it's all that ice cream. I thought the stomachache would be Future Spike's problem. But now I am Future Spike. Oh.
Come on, Future Spike.